Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to lock your pages in the Notion website or the Notion desktop application. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your Notion web portal by signing in with your Google or Apple accounts, or you can just sign in with your email address. Otherwise, you can just open your desktop application and then you will need just to follow these simple steps. Here in this example, I have just created this empty page or new page so I can show you how to lock page. So simply, all we need to do now is to go to the page settings and search for the lock page feature or option. To do or to find the page settings, we will need to go to the top corner at right, and we will find these 3 point options. Here we can find the page settings. Here down or in the middle here, we will find an option that is called lock page. So basically when you click on the lock page, we will be locking your page in here, and you can't do any modification or do anything in the page. Another way to lock page is by going here and search for so we need to unlock page here, and now we will find unlock, and now you can do some modification to your page. So basically this is how you can lock your pages in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you next time.